Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's to MOSHEH TV here again. So on today's tour, we are going to be visiting the new government house in Awka to see the level of work that is currently going on over there. So specifically, what you're gonna be touring today is the ongoing construction of the road from this Aroma Junction down to the government side house and beyond. So guys, when we visited, we noticed that asphalting has already commenced on this road, and as you can see, the asphalting commenced from this angle, and it has ended somewhere before the by the Alex Ekweme square axis. So this side was first asphalted, and you can see that motorists are already making use of it, while the other side of it, which we're gonna be crossing over in no time, is currently being asphalted on the day I visited. I visited there on Friday, being the 6th of December. So this is the other side of the road. So I visited this particular place on Saturday, and they are currently asphalting this one the day I visited. So you can see the drainage system, you can see the walkways, you can see the the level of work that is being done currently. So what I really enjoyed about the work so far when I visited was the walkways, how wide it is. The walkways is quite wide. The gutter, I don't know, the level of erosion that is passing through this side. So the deepness of the drainage system is not that quite big, but it depends. Maybe the erosion that is passing through this area is not that much, so it's okay if that is the case. So moving down, you can see that the asphalting is very new, showing you that this asphalting, I think, commenced that the same day that I visited, which is the 6th of December, being Saturday. So everything is looking new. Even moving down, you will notice that they are even currently working at it. They are working on the road, when I filmed this video. So they are still asphalting it down. So where the asphalting currently ends now is by that Alex Ekweme. After that junction, after the junction, then heading down a little bit, you will see where they currently are. The walkways has already extended down and connected with those ones in front of the government house, in front of the main gate at the government house, and the new walkways are also being constructed by the other side of it, which is at the front of the beside the front of the government house. New walkways is being done there when I visited, which you'll be watching everything on this video. And another thing I also noticed is that there's one big canal they are trying to kind of amend. When I visited, they are trying to amend that particular bit canal very close to that main gate of government house. They are amending it already, not trying. They are amending the big canal to suit whatever erosion that is passing through there. So you're gonna be seeing everything in this video. So let's head down, and you continue watching and see everything for yourself. So all I can tell you is that from the video and from what I saw when I visited, the walkways is very wide. The road has been wide before, so it's too wide. You can see that the camera cannot even capture the entire wideness of the road. I have to film over here, then cross over there to film, just like the first time I visited. So that is how how large or how wide the road is. So continue watching the video until I come back again with another explanation. So from here, guys, you can see where the asphalting currently ends, and they are still working on it. So this is where the asphalting ended for now, and the stone base has also continued. So after this asphalting, they are currently putting up stone base on the remaining part, so it can also be asphalted. So on this side of it, the ones that is very close to the Alex Ekweme square, you can see where the asphalting also stopped, very close to the other, almost the same thing where the other one stops. That is where this one also stops currently. So this is where the asphalting stops, and the stone base has continued from the other side, not from this side, not on the Alex Ekweme side, but the other side of it, the stone base has also continued downward. So this is what the drainage system over here is looking like, and this is what the walkways is also looking like. I've had a lot of complaint of not covering the drainage system, blah blah blah, and the rest of them. So I made mention of something in one of the video I created in Notebook, and if you have not watched it, you can go and watch them. So the drainage system over here is not covered, so, and as you can see, it's not covered. So please limit the amount of insult or calling names. So just watch the video, make your contributions politely. So this is what the drainage system looks like, and this is what the walkways looks like over this angle. So they are still extending the walkways from this angle. This is where they are, and I don't know how they want to connect this particular one. Maybe they want to kind of connect it from that angle, maybe going towards that Federal High Court. Maybe that is how they want to connect this one together, or maybe it will end here, then allowing the entrance for the passage into the Federal High Court. Then the walkway is also continued. So moving down from this angle, we're gonna be crossing over very soon to show you that the walkways continued down to go join with the one in front of the government house. So we're gonna be showing you everything. So this is it over here. This one is newly done. It was newly done. If you check the video very well, you can see the fresh ones over there. So it was newly done, and that is the popular tower in front of the government house. Is going up, the more is going up higher. They are working on it the day we visited. So let's continue, and let me also be showing you more things. So after this angle, I will show you which you are currently watching. This one was newly done. It was still they are still on it the day we visited. It was newly done, close to that to that tower side. That's where this particular one is. Then the next one is we're gonna be crossing over to show you the other one, the one that is building that they are currently building close to the first gate. The walkways they are building close to the first gate. We're gonna be crossing over to show you that, and we also, I don't think I capture where they are doing the correction of that canal. So another thing I noticed I'll also be showing you in the video is they have dismantled the previous roundabout they constructed in front of the government house. So this is the walkway. This one is very close to the main gate, as you can see. So it's very close to the main gate. This is the second phase of it. The other side of it has been completed. So this is the previous roundabout they constructed here. They have dismantled it, and I don't know if they want to I saw some some sticks that shows a kind of sample. Maybe they want to limit the size. Maybe it's too wide. The previous one was too wide, so they want to limit the size somehow. So from this angle, you can see that it has already been asphalted. Moving downward, it has already been asphalted. All this angle has been asphalted moving down. So let's continue watching the video, and we'll also be showing you the remaining parts of it. Over here you can see that they are currently putting up some designs around the fence of the government house. So they are putting up all these designs. Maybe that is where they're gonna be cultivating some flowers or trees to beautify the the fence the more, and that is it. So this is where the dualization ends, which we have been showing you in our videos. So this particular road has walkways down to wherever it will be ending. So it has walkways. The walkway started from that Aroma junction, extending down in front of the government house, then continue extending downward to where they currently are. So the walkways extended down. So over all this angle, you can see that the road has been asphalted. The last time we visited this location, it was stone base that they were still doing then. So you can see that today it has been asphalted, and the work still continue. So all I can say in this work is that they are moving with speed. They are moving very fast with speed. So when we visited, we noticed that they are very close to that covert, that big covert which I covered the last time I visited. So what you are currently watching is that view which I told you you're gonna be having once you get to backpack. So the reason why they are kind of raising the fence more is maybe because of that little view which I just showed you. Sorry, it was not clear enough because sun was reflecting on my camera. So if you watch over here, you can see that this asphalting is still new. So this one, they just did it that day I visited, which is on the 6th of December, on Saturday. So down there is the covert. You can see that the leveling of ground has already gotten there. And if I turn my back, if I turn around, you will see where the asphalting currently ends. This is where the asphalting currently ends, and you can see that it also has walkways. The drainage system is still continuing. So this is where the asphalting currently ends, and maybe by today that I'm gonna be uploading this video, the stone base around that area will also continue. So they have already gotten to down where the covert is. So if you have watched this video to this extent, please kindly do subscribe, share for others to see, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day till we meet again in our next update.